Hello students, good evening all of you. In this session we will discuss some problems on the basicity. So what is the base actually? Base is the electron donor. So here in this case what is the electron donor? Nitrogen is the electron donor because that has a non-bonding electrons, so acting as a electron donor. So here it has a basic nature. So generally which is a strong base? The nitrogen, if it has a more electron density, that is acting as a strong base. That means that is acting as a good electron donor. Okay. So here in this case, which one is the strongest base? So here the lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance actually. Okay. It is the aromatic amines. So amines are acting as a bases. Aromatic amines are the less basic. Okay. First of all, aromatic amines are the less basic because those are involved in a conjugation. That lone pair of electrons are involved in a conjugation. So here this lone pair of electrons are not available for the acid. So because that lone pair of electrons are engaged with benzene, okay, in a resonance. So it is a less basic. Next here also lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance, okay. But here this methyl is a donating group, that is a plus side group. So somewhat nitrogen has a more electron density. So this compound is more basic compound than this one, okay. And next here C, you're coming to C. Here also lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance. But here in this case, this NO2 is a minus M group. Here in minus M group, here minus M group. So minus M groups attract the electrons very strongly. Okay. Here benzene is unsubstituted. Okay. Just here only one group is there. Here also only one group is there. But here additionally NO2 withdrawing group is there. So that withdrawing effect of the NO2 makes this lone pair of electrons effectively involved in a resonance. Okay. Because of the withdrawing nature. Okay. Now here coming to this one also electron withdrawing group. Okay. But here this is a NCH3 and CH3. This is a NH2 smaller group. It is a bulkier group. So because of this bulky group, and here NO2 is also somewhat larger group, here there is a SIR effect actually. Okay. That means here steric inhibition of resonance actually. Here SIR effect is working. SIR effect is working. So because of the repulsions here between the NCH3 group and NO2, here that nitrogen is not coplanar with benzene ring. Okay, this nitrogen is not coplanar with benzene ring. So here generally the prime condition for the resonance, those atoms must be parallel. Okay, and the orbitals which are involved in a resonance must be parallel. Okay, here because of the steric effect, this NCH3 twice is not in the plane of the benzene ring, so here resonance is not possible. So these electrons are the freely available. These electrons are the freely available. Here, even though this NO2, the electron withdrawing group, here the minus M effect of the NO2 is not working because of the steric inhibition of resonance. Okay, this NO2 is also not in plane with benzene ring. Okay, this NO2 is also not in plane with benzene ring. Of course, this NO2 is in plane with the benzene ring. Okay, that means here minus M effect of this one not working, minus M effect of this one is not working. But here the minus M effect is working, of course. Okay, minus M effect is working. But here in this case, the main point is we are discussing the basicity. Here non-bonding electrons are not involved in a resonance. So these are freely available for the acid. So that's why this is a strong base. Okay. So here among these three, here for these three compounds here, lone pair of electrons are involved in a conjugation with benzene ring. Okay. Lone pair of electrons are involved in a conjugation with benzene ring. That's why these are the less basic compounds. Okay, and this is the most basic compound among these four. Okay, and here next year if you take this one, it is the strongest base than these four compounds because it is an aliphatic compound. Okay, it is aliphatic compound. Here also these electrons are not involved in resonance. That's why aliphatic amines are the more basic than the aromatic amines. Here it is not involved in a conjugation. Here also not involved in conjugation. Okay, but here in this case some minus effect is working. Okay, that's why this compound is more basic than this compound. So first finally here among the ABCD, D is the strong base. Okay, then all these four bases, aliphatic amine is a strong base because there is no delocalization. Of course, here also no delocalization, but some minus I effect is working. That's why it is a stronger base than the option D. Okay, but here just have given only ABCD options. Here D is a stronger base because here this lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance. Even though here NO2 groups are the electron withdrawing groups, it is a strong base. Okay, because here lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance. Now here D is a more basic compound. D is the most basic compound. Next here among the ABC, here B is the most basic compound. Okay, and next here A is the basic compound and here C is the least basic compound because of the NO2 is a minus M group. Okay, that minus M group strongly withdraw non-bonding electrons into the resonance. Okay, that's why C is the least basic compound among ABCD. C is the least basic compound, D is the most basic compound. Okay, that's it. Okay, next one more question. It is also based on the basicity of the amines. So which one has a lower pKb value in aqueous medium? Okay, which one has a lower pKb value in aqueous medium? So a lower pKb means strong base. That means here which is a strong base among the given amines. Okay, so here given is the aqueous medium. So generally basicity is increased by the electron donating groups. Okay, basicity is increased by the electron donating groups. Okay, and here basicity is also explained on the basis of the stability of the conjugate acid. Stability of the conjugate acid. If conjugate acid is more stable, the respective amine is a strong base. Okay, so here in this case, I am taking C2H5, this one NH2 after protonation. After protonation, this is a strong base. Okay, this one is a strong base plus. Now here, in case of the secondary amine, NH after protonation, C2H5, N, C2H5, here hydrogen, here hydrogen after protonation. Next, C2H5, thrice N, here H plus, C2H5, N, C2H5, here C2H5, here hydrogen, the plus. Okay, they are the conjugate acids. If conjugate acid is more stable, the corresponding amine is a more basic one. Okay, now here this conjugate acid, that means cation, is stabilized by the 3 plus I groups. Okay, it is stabilized by the 2 plus I groups. It is stabilized by the only 1 plus I group. Okay, na? 1 plus I group. So here in this case, but here the given condition is the aqueous medium. In aqueous medium, we have to consider the solvent effect also. Here, this is more stabilized by the solvent water. Okay, that means here negative pole of the oxygen is attracted towards hydrogen. Here also negative pole of this oxygen attracted towards hydrogen. Here also solvation. Here also there is a solvation effect. But here in this case, this is more solvated because here 3 hydrogens are available. Here 3 hydrogen bonds. That means here it is more solvated by the water. Now here 2 hydrogen bonds and here only 1 hydrogen is available. So it is less stabilized by the solvent. It is more stabilized by the solvent. But here based on the inductive effect, this is a more stable because 3 alkyl groups are there. Based on the inductive effect, it is a less stable because only 1 alkyl group is acting as a plus side. But based on the solvent effect, it is more stabilized. Based on the electronic effect, that is inductive effect, it is less stabilized. Okay, based on the solvent effect, it is more stabilized. So it is stabilized by the 2 plus I groups and here some solvent effect. Here more plus I effect, less solvent effect. So by combination of these two factors, electronic factor and that solvent effect, this secondary amine conjugate acid is more stable. That's why secondary amine more basic compound. Okay, next here C2H5 thrice N and then C2H5 NH2 is the most basic compound. Okay, the based on the combination of these two effects, solvent effect as well as the electronic effect. Okay, that's it. Now here next, it is the least basic because this is the aromatic amine. Lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance. So here availability of those electrons in a for the acid is very less. Okay, that is the least basic compound. So here, which one has a lower pKb means the strong base has a lower pKb value. So this one has a lower pKb value. Okay, when these amines are the methyl amines, okay, when these are the methyl amines, secondary amine, but here somewhat difference, primary methylamine and tertiary amine, that is okay, very important point. In case of the ethylamine, secondary, tertiary, primary, and in case of the methylamine, secondary, primary, tertiary in an aqueous medium. But of course here here in this case given like this here, basicity in gas phase, okay, basicity in gas phase or in non-polar solvents, in non-polar solvents, okay, in non-polar solvents. So here in this case, in gas phase or in non-polar solvents, here there is no solvent effect actually. Okay, there is no solvation. So here the basicity of the amines here explained on the basis of just inductive effect. So here conjugate acid is more stabilized by the inductive effect. So here the whatever the alkyl group here, tertiary amine more basic. That means here R3N and next R2NH and next RNH2. So based on the inductive effect only, because there is no solvent effect in gas phase and in non-polar solvent. That's why it is a basicity order final. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So here for this compound, let us discuss the basicity order of different type of nitrogens which are present in a single compound. Okay. So basically the nitrogen basicity depends on the mainly that electron donating tendency. Okay. If it is a good electron donor, it is a strong base. Okay. We are saying that it is a good electron donor, that is a strong base. Okay. Now here in this case, here lone pair of electrons are there, here lone pair of electrons are there, here lone pair of electrons, here lone pair of electrons. Okay. So which is a strong base actually? Here in this case, this nitrogen, sp3 nitrogen, this nitrogen, sp2 nitrogen. So generally with increasing S character, electronegativity increases. Okay. So between these two, here B is more basic. Okay. B is more basic because here sp2 nitrogen more electronegative. So that holds electron density very tightly. So it has a less tendency to donate the electrons. Okay. So here C least basic than the B. Now here coming to this one, it is a localized. Here these non-bonding electrons are the localized. Those are not involved in a resonance. Now here these electrons are involved in a resonance actually. Here not involved in resonance. Here these electrons are not involved in resonance. Here these are not involved in resonance. But here these electrons are involved in a resonance here. Lone pair pi conjugation. Lone pair pi conjugation. So here among the ABCD, A is least basic one. Among the ABCD, A is the least basic one. Now here in this case, it is a double bonded nitrogen. It is a double bonded nitrogen. It is a single bonded nitrogen. Single bonded nitrogen less electronegative. Okay. So here it must be more basic actually. It must be more basic. But here it is a more basic compound. Why? Because it is acting as a plus M group. By the plus M acting as a plus M group, here lone pair pi conjugation, here the electrons, flow of electrons towards nitrogen. That means here electron density on the nitrogen increased, enhanced by the this NH2 plus M nature, donating nature. Okay, it's acting as a donating group, and here due to pi lone pair conjugation, here electron density on the nitrogen increased very much. That's why here D is abnormally more basic compound. Okay, because here this is localized, it is localized, it is localized. But here by effect of the NH2, by effect of the donating nature of NH2, here electron density increased very much. That's why here in this case D is a more basic. Okay, and next localized, here localized. Between localized electrons, here B sp3 nitrogen, even though it is a sp2 nitrogen, it is a more basic because on this nitrogen electron density enhanced by the NH2 donating nature. Okay, it is a more basic compound. Now it is the least basic compound because these electrons are involved in a resonance. So availability for the acid donating tendency decreases. These two, okay, those are localized. Here sp2 nitrogen, sp3 nitrogen. sp3 nitrogen is somewhat more basic, and here sp nitrogen less basic because of the electronegativity that has a less tendency to donate the electrons. Okay, so here in this case it's a very least basic because lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance with this one, but these electrons are the localized. Okay, that's it. This is obesity order. Okay, thank you for watching.